Hey people, so there is this book called How to Talk to Anyone 92 Little Tricks for Big Success in Relationships. Now, this book is by this writer Lael Lowens, and honestly, my god, I think after Dale Carnegie, if he wrote this book, How to Make Friends and Influence People, if there's any other writer who is like so conversational, like her writing style is like Linda Goodman's, and I'm sure all of us have read Star Signs, have at least like star signs, zodiac signs became so popular because of Linda Goodman. But really, people, Lael Lowens, I mean, and these 92 little tricks for big success it's so basically so many of her tips are common sense, but at the same time you can make out she's a very it's a lady, the writer, she's a very astute observer of human behavior, so really I can't recommend this people book enough. It's called How to Talk to Anyone 92 Little Tricks for Big Success in Relationships. So really people, you can find this book on Amazon. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.